Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, we talk about a variety of different things, mostly geared around skincare, makeup, mid-size fashion, some lifestyle, and nails, even though I'm not wearing nails today. So I'm really excited because this week is week 6 of Hello Love's fall launch. So I will link all the videos down below of some of the other previous launches. But this week I'm really excited because we start getting into like the blues and the kind of the little bit more darker colors. So the first one is going to be just a slice. I'm going to take it out so that you guys can see it, because a lot of these nails, I feel like even in the light, like just inside, you can't really see the depth and the beauty of the nails. But when you go outside, you can definitely. I'm going to move over because I like to insert pictures so you guys can see it in actual like sunlight. But this is just a slice, and it doesn't do it justice in the camera. Here it just kind of looks like a really, I mean, obviously a very shiny navy blue, but it is almost ombre. So when you put it on, it almost has this ombre kind of look where it's lighter here. And I think you can, I don't know, you can't even see it. But this is, I mean, it's not like a true navy blue, like a cowboy's blue. It's a little bit lighter. I would say more of kind of a grayish undertone, a gray blue. It's very, very pretty. You can mix it with a whole bunch of colors. So you can mix it with some gold colors. You can mix it with whatever, but it's just a really pretty navy, dark blue, but kind of a gray navy, if that makes any sense. But I'll insert some pictures here. A really cute, versatile nail, one of those nails that you can definitely just wear the whole thing this color, but you can maybe here in the package you can see it. See how it's a little bit more ombre here? So it's going to pick up that on your nails, but it's just not a true navy. It does have a little bit of a lighter undertone in it, but it's a super unique color. And again, it's a perfect nail that you can mix and match with a variety of different things, because I feel like it just goes with a variety of different other colors if you want to do a mixed mani. The next color is Nix on the Floor. And again, this is one of the colors that I got to take out of the package so you can see it. And it's a little bit more challenging to see inside than it is outside, because it actually has two different finishes on it. It is matte and shiny at the same time. Let me grab one of the bigger colors. So you can see here, it's like a checkerboard basically. So you got the matte and the shiny. This is definitely a special finish nail, so you want to make sure they're not going to hold up as long as just like a regular, like just the slice, because it has that matte finish on it. Now, normally with the matte finishes, we recommend that you put like a matte top coat on it to kind of protect it. But because if you put a matte top coat, it's going to take the shiny off of it. It's just one of those things that you just might not get as long as a wear, but just very, very unique. Now, what you can do is you can mix it. If this is a little bit too much, which it really isn't like that much on the nails, you can mix it with a color like New York Blackout, which is just that shiny matte. So you can kind of get that mixed mani look. If this color or this one itself, what is it, this one? If Nix on the Floor is a little bit too much, you can always mix it with New York Blackout to kind of tone it down. But just a really fun, I would say neutral nail. I consider black to be neutral, but it's just really fun that you have that checkered design. Okay, so next is Le Cordon Bleu. And so all these nails have a like story behind it, but I'm not gonna waste your time talking about the description because a lot of it doesn't really have anything to do with the nail. But this one is a really fun leopard. Now, I love leopard. But leopard can sometimes be a little cheesy, and that's what I love about Hello Love is all the leopards that they've come out with are not cheesy. Like you can go cheese really quickly with the leopard, but every single one of them kind of almost has a sophistication to it, which I know sounds a little bit weird when I'm talking about nails, but you can go very unsophisticated or very childish with some of these designs. But what I like about Hello Love is their designs are a little bit more mature, a little bit more sophistication into it. But this is just a really fun navy blue. You can also, again, pair this with New York Blackout if it's a little bit too much like all on your nail, which to me, honestly, I think it is. Personally, I couldn't wear this. I mean, I could obviously if I wanted to, but I wouldn't want to wear this one, Le Cordon Bleu by itself. I would pair it with New York Blackout to kind of do that mixed mani. But you do whatever, you know, your feeling in the moment, but those are two colors that match. So this one, Lakota Blue, is probably my favorite. This again is going to be a specialty finish nail because the blue is actually matte and then the leopard on top of it, the leopard dots, if you will, are shiny. So you've got that kind of mixed texture there, which just makes it super unique. And again, there's just like a little bit, there's a sophistication around their nails that I really, really like. Okay, so that is it for the week 6 launch of the fall collection. 3 really, really cute, very unique nails that are dropping this week. So definitely I'll put the website down below if you guys want to look into it a little bit more, but really, really excited about this week. And I will put the previous week launches down below so that you guys can see it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put my website down below if you want to browse through, but hopefully enjoy the video. Until next time, bye.